Hey, what's up, guys? I'm back with the fourth box of 5 for Card Collectors World Group Break. Please come and join us at cardcollectorsworld.com. My name is Jeff. My name on there is Bengals for Life. Also, I want to thank blowoutcards.com for giving us a great deal on these boxes. And let's get this. These are some of my first videos, so please bear with me. Alright, let's get started. We've already had some pretty good success. Not what we was looking for just yet, but we will hit that big card hopefully. I got 2009, 2010 certified coming up next as our last break. And our first hit of this box is a rookie game used of Austin Day, number 53 of 249, blue. We can do better than that, though. Once again, my videos are probably boring because I don't know what to do. I've watched plenty, but I just don't know how to keep you all entertained. Could start singing. Could start singing. But then you would never watch my videos ever again, which you probably won't anyway because they're boring. But these videos are pretty much for cardcollectorsworld.com. Since it is a group break. There was 13 of us in this group break, and we ended up getting 5 boxes for a small website. I think that's pretty awesome. So to get in on these breaks, to meet some awesome people, you're going to have to come over to cardcollectorsworld.com and join us. Ooh-wee, our second hit. I said ooh-wee. It's a Kobe. Pretty nice purple jersey. 185 of 249. Nice purple of Kobe. That's the second jersey I pulled in this break of Kobe's. You can't really get much better than that, but I'm really looking for a big time auto. I don't even care if it's coming to me, as long as it's going to somebody that collects the person. If not, just put it up on eBay for sale. After busting boxes and boxes for the last 8 to 14 months, as long as I've been collecting, I've never pulled a Kobe game used, auto, or anything. And now that it's not mine, I've pulled 2. Go figure. But I'm happy with it. As long as I get me a Ty Lawson, I'll be real happy. Give me a Ty Lawson, and you'll see one happy man. Well, you'll see my hands. Once again, I'd like to thank blowoutcards.com for providing us with these boxes at a really cheap rate. If you do not like the price on the boxes, the price on their website, just email Chris Park. He's the owner, and he will give you a great deal. Why is that one got 4 cards in it? Well, it looks like we got a shorter card in that pack. Oh well, we still got 2 hits coming. Alright, we got 4 packs left, looking for 2 more hits. And there is the 3rd hit. It's of B.J. Mullins, rookie game used, 156 of 249, blue, for the Thunder. Which looks the other hit. If I see it before I see it, if that makes sense, then I will put it to the side. And, well, I guess it really doesn't matter now. Here's the last pack. Hopefully it's got a hit in it. Hopefully it's got a big hit. If not, then we got short of the hit. And that's what happened. That's why there's only 4 cards in that one pack. We got short of the hit. This is the first time it's happened to me other than a blaster box. So I'm not really sure what to do. I guess I'll email Panini. And please tell me, leave a comment, tell me what to do, because I don't know. So we got 3 hits that box. We got the Austin Day, the B.J. Mullins, and the Kobe. I'll go back and look through the cards again, make sure I didn't miss one. But next we come back with our 2009-2010 certified. Thanks.